In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a document on Lumin PDF. Now first, you want to go inside your dashboard on the Home tab, and from here you want to click on Edit a PDF up top, and then you want to select your document. So you could either upload it or just find it from your documents. I have one over here. I'm going to click on it and click on Choose. Then it's going to open up your document, and this is where you can go ahead and start editing it. Now, you can do some basic editing up top. As you can see, you have this eraser over here where you can basically select its size, and then you can go ahead and erase different things from your PDF document in case you've put anything on there. Then you have these shapes, which allow you to basically put on shapes onto your document if you want to use these as well. So there's like a bunch of different options. As you can see, you have like ellipses, lines, arrows, etc., and you can color them different colors as well. Then you have the text highlighter, which allows you to basically highlight any text inside your PDF like this. Then you have option to draw. So if you click on draw here, you'll be able to draw on your PDF document. You can draw whatever you want using whatever color over here, and then you can of course go and start typing. So you can just type in whatever you want, and of course you also have the signatures, which if you want to know more about these, I have done a separate video on how to sign on Lumin, but of course you can just add a signature over here and place it onto your document. Last but not least, you also have these documents or comments over here where you can basically add comments onto your PDF saying whatever you want and then commenting on it like this. Okay, now that's the most basic form of editing you can do inside Lumin PDF. But then over here on the left, you also have the fill and sign. So if you want to add on like form fields, you can also build these. As you can see here, I can add on crosses, I can add on ticks, dots, whatever. Then I have stamps, and I have a bunch of different things as well. Then over here you have the annotate, which again allows you to use these text tools, highlight, drawing, we've seen that earlier. And then you have the Edit PDF tab, which allows you to basically edit the text inside your PDF, okay? So this is where the most of your editing is going to be happening. I'm going to click on Edit PDF. It's going to start loading for a few seconds, and then when this loads, there we go, I can now go ahead and start actually editing this text. So over here, I can just click inside any text box, and if I double click, it's going to start loading for a few seconds, and then it's going to allow me to basically change any text inside my document, just like this. As you can see, I'm changing it, and then whenever you're ready, you can just basically click on the done top right, and it's going to make that changes into your document, okay? Of course, you could go and also change fonts over here on the right. You could also go and change sizes of text, make it bold, change colors, etc. And yeah, that's essentially how to edit your document. Now, over here you also have security, where you could go and like redact, or you could go and set a password, remove password, etc. And then you also have the option, which are the page tools, where you can merge, split, rotate, etc. and do basically whatever you can with your pages using these buttons up here. So that's essentially how to edit a document on Lumin PDF. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.